This is our water source, guys. You like it? It's all dried up.
Welcome to Virginia.
This is how Virginia's been for many miles now. We've had a lot of long water carries because there's no water. Right. Damn. So we've been trying something new the past couple days. We've actually been slack packing. And what that is you basically stay at a hostel or hotel every single night, which I love. You get a little tiny backpack, like a school backpack. I'll show you ours later. Mine's so tiny. You put water in it and all the snacks you need for one day. And you get a shuttle driver, they drop you off at a spot and they pick you up later on in the afternoon. You go back to the hotel, you shower, you get to sleep in a bed, and eat town food. You don't have to stink. You don't have to be sticky. Lay next to each other at night. It sure is a lot more fun. Slack packing. So.
Someone to take your picture out here?
Sure. Wow, that's... Our hotel room's on the other side of that mountain right there.
Maybe.
We think it's the town of Daleville. We think this is the ridge. It's gonna get us there.
Could be that one after it. There's a little hump there.
But we'll find out.
Romances spit them out as second chances. And when you're done, we'll still be as one. Come into your
Baby's that bear. Come on now.
come into your
Thank you, baby. He's backing
We
up.
are all slaves to the stars. It's not the same. Love comes around the sun. Chances are we'll be gone. We are all slaves to the stars. It's not the same. Love comes around the sun. Chances are we'll be gone.
We saw a big old bear.
Oh yeah, we did.
Come into your